Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start and complete the sample collection quest in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Crystal Depth Update Part 2 has been released in Fish It, and then there is a new quest from this scientist NPC on the Kahana Island, and the quest is called the Sample Collection Quest. First of all, you can go to the Kahana Island, and then you can talk to this NPC. Okay, and then the quest will be started. Okay, and this is the quest guys. The sample collection quest. You need to collect samples around Kahana Island and return the samples to scientist Jameson. And the reward will be log potion. Okay, I think the reward is not worth guys, but yeah, you can try to complete this quest just for fun. And basically you just need to find a sample like this, which is a flag. You can find it around the map. Okay, this is the first sample, and you need to collect 10 samples guys from the Kahana Island. And after you collect 10 flags or 10 samples, you can go back to the scientist NPC, and then you will get log potion. And for your information guys, after you leave the game, you can re-pick up the flag from one place, so you don't really need to find 10 locations. You can pick up again the flag from the same place, and it will be easier than finding 10 locations, but you need to rejoin the game after you leave it. And after that, after you find 10 flags, you can go back to this NPC and then you will get the log potion. Okay guys, and that's how you can finish the sample collection quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.